In this video, I'm going to work on the ALEKS problem called predicting the reactants or products of carbonyl reduction. There's two versions of this problem. Here we're looking at one version where the problem provides us with the reactants and asks us to predict the products of that reaction. This, we can tell from the title, is a carbonyl reduction reaction. I'm going to start by redrawing the original molecule that's been provided to us. And you can see that to this molecule we are adding H2. H2 adds to a double bond. In this case it's adding to the carbon-oxygen double bond, and specifically it converts that carbon-oxygen double bond into a single bond by adding one hydrogen atom to both the carbon and to the oxygen. So this is the answer to this question. It does want it in condensed structure notation, which means probably wants it like this, probably wants it like that. Now, the second version of this problem is going to provide you with the product and ask you to predict the reactant. So it would have a form that would look something like this. Let's say PT, it would say H2, and it wants you to predict the reactant that you need to come up with this molecule. So if you get this version of the problem, here's how you're going to approach it. We're going to start by thinking about I'm going to just think about the product of the reaction that's provided to us. We're going to keep in our heads that this reaction converts a carbon-oxygen double bond into a single bond. So in our product, where we have a carbon-oxygen single bond, that used to be a carbon-oxygen double bond. And in the conversion process, we added one hydrogen to the oxygen and we added one hydrogen to the carbon. So to back this reaction up, we're going to convert the single bond to a double bond, and we're going to remove one hydrogen atom from the oxygen, and we're going to remove one hydrogen atom from the carbon.